Welcome to our exploration of cybersecurity's need for advanced tooling. As cybersecurity threats grow in sophistication, organizations face an uphill battle in safeguarding their assets. To combat these threats, professionals rely on a sophisticated arsenal of tools. Traditional security measures like firewalls and antivirus software are no longer sufficient. Cybercriminals constantly find new ways to circumvent these defenses. Advanced tools provide the necessary visibility and capabilities to stay ahead. They enable real-time threat detection, attack pattern analysis, and swift response. The right tools can make all the difference in maintaining a strong security posture. By leveraging these tools, organizations can enhance their overall security and protect against cyber attacks. In the following sections, we will delve into the essential tools used by cybersecurity SOC analysts. Now let's discuss the CM, a cybersecurity analyst's central hub. The Security Information and Event Management (CM) system serves as the central nervous system of a cybersecurity operations center (SOC). CEMs aggregate and correlate security logs from various sources, providing a comprehensive view of an organization's security posture. They provide real-time alerts on suspicious activities, allowing for immediate investigation and response. CMs also offer historical data analysis capabilities, helping analysts understand attack trends and improve incident response plans. In essence, CMs act as the eyes and ears of a cybersecurity team, providing the visibility and insights needed to detect and respond to threats effectively. They are indispensable tools for organizations of all sizes looking to enhance their security posture. Moving on to intrusion detection systems, IDS, guardians of the network perimeter. Intrusion detection systems, IDS, act as vigilant guards, monitoring network traffic for any signs of malicious activity. They analyze network packets in real time, comparing them against known attack signatures and behavioral patterns. IDS solutions come in two main flavors: network-based NIDS and host-based HIDS. A real-world example of an IDS in action is its ability to detect a port scan, a common reconnaissance technique used by attackers. By detecting and alerting on suspicious network activity, IDSs provide an early warning system, allowing organizations to respond to threats before they can cause significant damage. They play a crucial role in preventing data breaches and other cybersecurity incidents. Finally, let's cover Security Information and Event Management, CM, connecting the dots. CEMs take security monitoring a step further by correlating events from multiple security tools. By analyzing data in aggregate, CEMs can identify complex attack patterns that might go unnoticed by individual security tools. For example, a CEM can correlate a series of seemingly unrelated events, such as a user accessing a sensitive file at an unusual time, followed by an increase in outbound network traffic. CEMs also provide valuable context for security alerts, enriching data with threat intelligence, user information, and asset value. By connecting the dots between disparate security events, CEMs empower organizations to detect advanced threats and improve their overall security posture. They are essential tools for organizations with complex IT environments and a need for comprehensive security monitoring. Section 5. Endpoint Detection and Response, or EDR, fortifying the front lines. Endpoint detection and response solutions focus on securing endpoints, such as laptops, desktops, and servers. EDR agents are deployed on endpoints, continuously monitoring system activity for suspicious behavior. One key capability of EDR is its ability to detect fileless attacks, which exploit legitimate system tools and processes. EDR solutions use behavioral analysis to identify suspicious activity, even if it doesn't involve any malicious files. EDR solutions also provide incident response capabilities, allowing analysts to isolate infected endpoints, quarantine malicious files, and roll back systems to a known good state. This helps minimize the impact of security incidents and prevents further damage. Section 6. Vulnerability Scanners, Proactive Defense Against Exploits. Vulnerability scanners play a critical role in proactive cybersecurity by identifying weaknesses in systems and applications. These tools scan networks, systems, and applications for known vulnerabilities, providing organizations with a list of potential security holes. Vulnerability scanners use techniques like port scanning, application testing, and configuration analysis. For example, a vulnerability scanner can identify a web server running an outdated version of a content management system that is known to be vulnerable. By proactively identifying and addressing vulnerabilities, organizations can significantly reduce their attack surface. Vulnerability scanning should be an integral part of any comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. Section 7. Security Orchestration, Automation and Response, or SOAR, streamlining security operations. SOAR solutions streamline and automate security operations, enabling analysts to respond to threats more efficiently. SOAR platforms integrate with various security tools, providing a centralized platform for incident response. One key benefit of SOAR is its ability to automate repetitive security tasks, such as alert triage and malware analysis. This frees up analysts to focus on more strategic initiatives, like threat hunting and incident investigation. SOAR solutions also provide incident response playbooks, which guide analysts through the process of responding to specific types of security incidents. Playbooks ensure a consistent and efficient response, reducing the risk of human error and improving overall security operations. Section 8. Threat Intelligence Platforms. Staying ahead of the curve. Threat intelligence platforms, or TIPs, provide organizations with actionable insights into the latest cyber threats. TIPs collect, analyze, and disseminate threat intelligence from various sources, including open-source feeds and commercial providers. This information can be used to enhance security controls, prioritize vulnerabilities, and improve incident response capabilities. For example, a TIP can provide information about a new ransomware strain targeting a specific industry. By leveraging threat intelligence, organizations can gain a deeper understanding of the threat landscape and take proactive measures to mitigate their risk. TIPs are becoming increasingly essential for organizations as the threat landscape continues to evolve. Section 9. Packet Analyzers. Deep dive into network traffic. Packet analyzers, also known as network sniffers, allow analysts to capture and inspect network traffic in detail. They provide a granular view of network communications, enabling analysts to troubleshoot network issues and identify security threats. Packet analyzers capture network packets and display them in a human-readable format, allowing analysts to examine the contents of individual packets. This information can be used to identify suspicious traffic patterns and analyze network conversations. For example, a packet analyzer can investigate a suspected malware infection by capturing network traffic from the infected host. Packet analyzers are essential tools for network administrators and security analysts. Section 10. Forensic Analysis Tools, Investigating Security Incidents. Forensic analysis tools are used to investigate security incidents, helping analysts understand what happened and who was responsible. These tools allow analysts to collect and analyze digital evidence from various sources, including hard drives and network logs. Forensic analysis tools often include features like data recovery, file carving, and timeline analysis. For instance, in the aftermath of a data breach, forensic analysis tools can identify the point of entry and the data that was accessed. This information is crucial for incident response, remediation, and legal proceedings. Forensic analysts must adhere to strict chain of custody procedures to ensure the integrity of the evidence collected. Section 11. Conclusion: Empowering cybersecurity professionals. The tools discussed represent a small fraction of the solutions available to cybersecurity professionals. However, tools alone do not guarantee cybersecurity. The most effective strategies combine people, processes, and technology. As the threat landscape evolves, it's crucial for organizations to invest in their cybersecurity posture and provide their teams with the necessary tools. By embracing a proactive approach, organizations can mitigate risk and protect their valuable assets from cyber attacks.